If your plants are looking weak, yellow, or almost dying, don't worry, this simple kitchen secret might surprise you. What if I told you that just 1 cup of lentil water can bring your plants back to life, almost overnight? Yes, it sounds unbelievable, but it really works. Lentil water is packed with essential nutrients like nitrogen, protein, iron, and natural minerals. These nutrients help improve soil health, strengthen roots, and boost plant growth fast. Here's how to make it. Take 1 cup of lentils and soak them in 2 to 3 cups of water for about 6 to 8 hours, or overnight. After soaking, don't throw this water away. This is your powerful plant tonic. Now dilute this lentil water with equal amount of fresh water. Pour it gently around the base of your plants, not on the leaves. Use this once every 7 to 10 days. Within a few days, you'll notice greener leaves, stronger stems, and healthier growth. It's simple, natural, and completely free. Try this today, and watch your dying plants come back to life.